If you want to check voicemail messages on a Motorola Moto G56, then in that case, first of all, we need to open our phone app. And then we can open the keypad over here, and what you have to do now is just press and hold number 1. If you do so, you should speed dial the voicemail, and then you can follow the instructions, or you might immediately have the messages that someone left for you. Now, if you cannot speed dial the voicemail for some reason, it doesn't work, then it might be due to incorrect voicemail number entered in the settings. So in order to check that out and eventually fix it, we need to tap on these 3 dots over here in the top right corner, go to settings, then choose voicemail, advanced settings, and then setup. And as you can see here, we have the voicemail number, which we can edit in case it is incorrect. If you don't know what number you need to enter over here, you can either ask your service provider or carrier, or you can try to Google that information. You just enter the name of your service provider and voicemail number or something like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.